Now we will learn how to draw a crab which is having 2 hands and 6 legs. It is very easy to draw and you can color it with your favorite color. Yes, see how easy it was. Next, we'll go for a baby horse. What is a baby horse called? It is called a calf. Yes, see, we'll go for the thick tail and the mane. This is called mane. Yes, you can color it with your favorite colors. Now we will go for the next drawing, which is various types of fishes. Fishes have different sizes, but here we will learn how to draw different types of fishes which are long in size. See, the first fish is done. The second fish I'm drawing here, which is very easy. Then we'll go for the third fish. See how easy it was. You can color it with the favorite colors. We'll go for the rocket. Yes, where does the rocket go? In the space. Yes. So